Hello folks, I'm just in here for about an hour doing some videos. What do I got today for you? I got a tool, I don't know, it's not really a tool, it's a thing you use with tools, but I mean, I guess it's a tool. Let's see, I don't know what that is. My bench is physically freezing my fingers. It's like I put my down, it's a steel, half-inch steel plate, so my hands are cold. Get cold doing it. So anyway, what I picked up was Milwaukee, what do you call it? Earplugs. Noise reduction rating, 25 decibels from plugs over the head. So I was hesitant to buy these for one reason, and one reason only. I have a fat head. I really do have a fat head. So the small ones over here might work. This little thing on my head might not work. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out. And I forgot my knife. Where did my knife go? Did I leave it in here? Oh yeah, there it is. Forgot my knife. Let's use the knife. Yesterday I was looking for my knife. I left it in here. Most important thing in my life. A pocket knife. I have too many of them. You can never have too many pocket knives. Who are you kidding? Anybody out there collect pocket knives? I don't collect them. I just abuse them and put them in a box after I'm done. I'll buy one. I'll be like, I don't know how I like this. I'll try it out for a while. If I don't like it, I'll just throw it in the box. Let's see. Look at that. I wonder if these are made for fatheads like me. Let's try it out. It's supposed to be over the head. I like behind the head. Ooh. It's like a 2-year-old stuck two little pinkies in my ears. It's like, I can't even hear myself talk. Just kidding. I can hear myself. My head's so fat it doesn't block everything. This next one is let's see. A little baggy. What is this? What the hell is that? What in the world? I don't know. What is this? What is this? Folks, there's a little baggie here with tape on it and no explanation of what the hell's in it. Guess you can put your listed crap in there. Anyway, before this thing goes crazy here. What the hell? What's going on? It's caught on my glasses. Sacre bleu. Alright, that's caught on that side. Alright, wardrobe malfunction. So anyway, we got these things, which I guess, see, they're little things. They're actually pretty neat. Little greasy freaking ear little things. I'm guessing this goes in here, maybe. Look at that. Oh, there you go. You can put different kinds. You can adjust them. These are the little insert ones, and I guess they give you a little dime bag so you can store your other ones. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Getting these out of here isn't exactly the greatest. A little bit of defective foam in there. So yeah, if this thing comes off, I guess they rotate too. Oh yeah, look at that. See, it goes like that. You can see it. This goes this way, and this goes this way. You know, I mean, I don't know who would use it like that, but unless you want to be like that guy on, what do you call it? Star Trek, with the little thing on his, I don't know what his name is. So that's pretty cool. At least they give you somebody thought ahead of just leaving this in a bag, which I can't see it open. So you put the little extra ones in the dime bag here, so you don't get them all schmucky and mucky, which is a good idea. They should give you a little, I mean, you know what? The price of a little plastic, they should give you a little plastic box to put it in. Let me put this in here. So that's pretty cool. I wanted these because if you're doing anything, it's just a matter of going like this. Just put it behind your head. Then you can do some work. And you just not have to worry about like this because I'm not wearing headphones. So anyway, that's a neat little thing. And in the middle of the video, Arco sending me a message. Hi Arco, you're texting me right now. So let me, anyway, this is pretty much the end of the video. They are Milwaukee All Day Comfort Versatile Wear banded earplugs. Class whatever. Is there a model number on here? Number 48-73-3201. Includes foam and flanged earplugs. 25 decibels from plugs overhead. The range of noise reduction ratings for existing hearing protections is approximately 0 to 30. So, guess it works better than caulking in your ears. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and you'll see me wearing these because I have lots of loud noises in here. So, oh, and thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to click some buttons.